Hello and welcome to this video today. We'll be talking about how to use native advertising to promote your business, your product and services. So let me quickly introduce myself and we'll dive right in. Okay, so my name is Chris Anthony. I'm a digital marketer. Specialize in helping business owners attract customers and scale online through a combination of effective digital marketing strategies. So in this video we'll be talking about how to use native advertising to promote your business, products and services. We'll also go ahead to discuss what native advertising is, the different native advertising platforms, and also the benefits and challenges of native advertising. So what is native advertising? Native advertising is a type of online advertising that matches the form and function of the platform on which it appears. In many cases, it takes the form of an article or a video that is produced by the advertiser and published on a website alongside other non-paid content. So native advertising is a term coined by Google in 2015 to describe advertisements that look like editorial content. Okay. So why are advertisers and business owners using native ads? So there are several reasons why advertisers might choose to use native ads. First, because they blend in with other contents on a page, so they can be less intrusive than other types of online ads such as banner ads. And second, native ads can be more effective at getting people's attention than traditional banner ads. And studies have shown that people look at native adverts 53% more than banner adverts. And finally, native advertising can help build trust between an advertiser and its audience if done well. Readers or viewers may not even realize that they are seeing an advert rather than editorial content. Okay, so however, it's important to note that not all forms of native advertising are equally trustworthy. Okay, so and heading further, you have to note missed something. Benefits of native advertising. So native advertising provides brands with a way to reach audience without paying for traditional ad space. Okay, so brands benefit from having a direct connection with consumers, and users benefit from getting relevant information about products and services. So how to create native advertisements? There are many ways to create a native advertisement. You can use videos, infographics, images, text, and links to connect with readers. So if you're looking for a new way to reach your target audience, you may want to consider using a native advertising platform. Native advertising platforms allows you to place ads on websites and apps that are relevant to your business so that your target audience is more likely to see them. There are many different native advertising platforms available, so it's important to do some research and find the one that will work well for your business. So once you found out a platform that you're happy with, setting up a campaign is quick and easy. So here are some native advertising platforms that you can use to promote your business or your products and services. Now that you know what native advertising is, let's take a look at some top native ad platforms. One, we have HotBrain. So HotBrain is one of the leading native advertising platforms used by some of the top publishers including BBC and Guardian. Okay, where the ad networks allow publishers to access top DSPs through programmatic native ad demand. Number 2, we have Tabula. So apart from HotBrain, if you are searching for a reliable native ad platform, then you would have heard about Tabula. It can be a great option for breaking in traffic and page views. It is used by Huffington Post, USA Today, and other top publishers. Number 3, we have Rev Content. According to ad publishers' websites, among all native ad networks, Rev Content offers 250 billion unique content recommendations per month and has partnered with a number of advertisers and publishers, including Forbes and Wayfair. Number 4, we have MGID. If you are one of those marketers who are looking to get started with a self-service platform, then MGID may be the platform you want. You can generate more ad impressions, focusing on your business needs and marketing goals with MGID's self-service option and variety of other ad formats. Okay, so take some picture break. Then we'll move to how to choose a native advertising platform. So when looking for the right ad platform for your company or business, you need to ensure that you are taking all factors into consideration, including your website traffic, company advertising budget, nature of media or content you want to serve, and the type of network you are looking for. So here are some factors to consider: setup procedure, pricing model, quality of ad, and ad network requirements. So whether your business serves products or services, as an advertiser, you can benefit from using native advertising to promote your business. A native ad will increase your website traffic, leads, and customers. Okay. So if you need help with your native advertising campaigns, if you are looking for help with your native advertising campaigns, we can certainly assist you. Our team has a wealth of experience in this area and can work with you to create a campaign that meets your needs and objectives. Contact us today to learn more or get in touch for a free consultation. You can also visit our website or send us an email. Okay, and thanks for watching. That will be all for today. If you're watching this on YouTube, don't forget to share, like, and subscribe to let more business owners and marketers see this video. Thank you.